Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to increase the Wi-Fi speed. So if you're facing issue with the Wi-Fi connection or the broadband connection, Ethernet connection, this video will really help you a lot. Here we are going to take some genuine steps and definitely it will boost up your Wi-Fi connection. Please make sure you watch the whole video and you will definitely be able to fix all of your Wi-Fi issues as far as speed is concerned. So here in the start icon, just do a right click and then click on run. And we need to type ncpa.cpl. I'll just maximize it. So once you have typed it, hit OK. And here you will find your Ethernet and Wi-Fi connection. So if you're using Ethernet, you can simply do a right click on Ethernet. And if you're using Wi-Fi, you can do a right click on the Wi-Fi connection. Since I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'll just click on Wi-Fi I'll just do a right click and I'll go to properties. And here you will find configure tab, the very first option. So once we click on that, and then we need to click on advanced tab. Now here we are looking for a few things. So the very first thing is fat channel intolerant. So once you select that, please make sure that it is enabled. Now fat channel intolerant, when you enable it, you actually widen the path from Wi-Fi from your router to your laptop. So you broaden the way. So if you enable it, it will definitely boost up. So once you have enabled, scroll it down and look for. So here we are looking for throughput booster. Please make sure that it is disabled. So in my computer, it is already disabled. But if it is enabled in your computer, make sure it is disabled. And then we are looking for roaming aggressiveness. Here it is. So once you select the roaming aggressiveness, it could be selected to medium or medium high. Now here the catch is, lower the aggressiveness, higher the internet speed. If we increase the roaming aggressiveness higher, then it will try to send the signal in a broader way. So Wi-Fi remains the same. My recommendation will be to select the lowest or the medium low. So once you select that, here you will have this power management. Just next to the events, you will have the power management. And once you click on that, there will be one check mark, allow this device to turn off in power management. So make sure you uncheck that and you just need to click on OK. And once this is done, restart the computer and see the difference in your Wi-Fi connection. Please let me know in the comment section if it has worked for you. I really need your support, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.